Hey guys, so welcome to another YouTube video. It's day 13 of me building agent. So today we'll be building. Let me see. We're gonna use with the help of cloud. What we wanna build is lecture note summarizer. We wanna build a lecture note summarizer where you can actually. So what this lecture note summarizer is gonna do is it's going to summarize your notes if you have messy notes when the lecture is in class and you've taken your notes and you think like they're too much and it's not everything that you need, but you know some scoop of it. So when you upload your notes to the agent, it's actually summarizes it for you. So first thing we're gonna do is gonna create a workflow. We're gonna come here, click create workflow as usual. I don't know what's wrong with my, come on, just a minute. So this is our canvas. So the first thing we want to do first is we're going to name a workflow to, we're going to call it I lecture note summarizer, and that's it. First thing we're going to add our node, and our first node is usually a trigger node, and we're going to use the form submission node, which is it is yeah, as usual it's on new event, and then we're going to come and send the credentials. We're setting it to test URL. Okay, the title of the form is I notes summarizer. Form description is fill in the form. Fill in the form. Form elements. The first element, as usual, it's the student's name, your full name as a student. It's a text input as usual. Another form element is your email address. It's an email. It's not a text. It's an email. It's an email. Next thing we want. I don't know what's wrong with my machine today. It's kind of slow. Come on, man. We want the university, the course, subject, and the pasting there. Also need the university. Also need the course. Remember the course. Course. Also need the lecture notes. For this first agent, I'm not gonna upload a file because I don't think here there's upload. There's a file, there is file, but for now I'll just use text area and you can just input all your messy notes in there. Okay, and I'm gonna execute and show you how the form looks like. So here is our form, as you can see. Okay, higher lecture note summarizer, the form, name, email, university course, and the lecture notes. You'll fill in all your notes, messy notes here. You can see it fills everything in here. And when you hit submit, everything is taken to the agent. Let's see if we're missing anything. Or we've missed something, sorry. We've missed the unit. Just stop listening. Let's say first. Subject. It's not a text area, it's just a text input. And now we're gonna add the lecture notes. The lecture notes are literally what text area. And let's execute it and see it again. Okay, execute it. AI lecture notes summarizer, full name, course, the unit, the lecture notes. Okay, before we submit anything first, we need to add another node, which is our AI agent node. AI agent it is. We want to define everything below, and I'm gonna come here add an option of the system prompt. So for the system prompt, I'll just paste the one which Cloud has issued me today. I'm not kind of feeling well today, so the, see the system prompt. Where's the system prompt here? It's supposed to be somewhere in here. So here we'll just still continue. Let's just paste, copy this and paste it in here. Okay, that's the system prompt. And I want to show you for a minute how the system prompt look like. So you are an expert academic tutor specializing in summarizing university lecture from African students. A student just shared their raw lecture notes with you. Your job is to create a clean structure summary of the notes, clear headings and subheadings, extra key concepts. List the most important points a student must know, definitions, possible exam points, one paragraph overview. Make the summary clear, concise, and easy to revise from. Format is for a student that can use directly for a revision document. And the revision document is just gonna be our Gmail. So in order for us to fill this user message, we need to use mock data first. So we're gonna come back here. We wait first. A mock data. So it's opening the file. Let's say I call myself, okay? Benjamin Kaka. Okay, my email as usual. I'm gonna use my Gmail. University is Kenyatta, which is a African university. Let's see the mock data here. Kenyatta University Biotech, Microbiology, and the notes. Here are the notes, okay? Let's copy those notes. Kameshapitia. Still listening. Stop listening and execute. Let's start again. Let's say my email as usual. Universities. Okay, the course is biotech, biotechnology. The unit is, let's say we're dealing with microbiology. And the lecture notes, I just copy pasted them. So let me just paste them here. Let me show you the notes. Here are the notes. Bacteria are prokaryotic organisms. They lack nucleus. Cell membrane of peptidoglycan. Gram-positive bacteria have thick peptidoglycan layer. Gram-negative have a thin layer with the other membrane. You can see there they are. So we're gonna submit this form. As you can see here, form has been submitted. And where has it been submitted to? Our AI agent node. Okay. As you can see, everything is here. Full name, email address, university, the course, the unit, and the lecture notes. Now we want these notes to be summarized, okay, for us. This is the output, and we want those notes to be summarized, okay. So we're gonna come here instead of our node. What we need saying is we want the student name, university, the course, the unit, the subject, everything. Okay, but before we go in there, let's paste this one. Let's paste this one here. So we want the full name, which is the student name, obvious. No, just cut it. Just cut it. So we want the email address also. Zoom in, okay. I want in the wrong place, I guess. Or whatever do to you, okay. We also want the university. So university is, this is the university. Come on, man. What's wrong with this? Also want the course, the unit, and the lecture notes. Also on the unit. What? What happened? Seems like I've lost everything that I just put here. So we're gonna start again, the name. Here we want the name here. I still don't understand what's up with this thing. You know, email address. Good. When the university. Oh, it goes up there. Let's cut it. Paste it there. Goes. Uh, Subject. And the lecture notes. There you go. As you can see, now we want it's for these nodes here. Let me show you how the output looks like. We want these nodes to be summarized, okay? And as you can see, to my MB, I summarize these lecture notes into a clean structured revision document, okay? So what we're gonna do is we are gonna come here and attach our chart model. Chart model first. Groq. We're gonna use Groq. And in Groq, we want llama. We want llama. This. Okay. Let's pin this output, okay? Because we wanna use it again and again. Okay, since it's pinned, let's play this working. As you can see, it's working, and it's okay. One item is out. Now we need to send this to our platform, maybe a database, but we're gonna use Gmail as usual. Yeah, Gmail. Touch it wrongly. Sorry about that. Okay. This is just this. We want to send a message, so we're gonna send a message. Gmail account, everything is sent. Where do we want to send it to? As usual, this is the output, and as you can see, sorry guys, I haven't shown you how the output looks like. I'll show you in a minute. Show you in a minute, but before that, this is the person who wants the show you the output. Subject is obviously as usual. It's here are the summarized notes. In which format do you want it? We want it in a text format. So the message, let's come and see the message here. We'll copy this message, but we're gonna change the message because this is not how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna copy this message here. how it looks like. It's text format. Okay. So hi, this guy here. Hi who? Hi full name. Hi full name. Hi Benjamin. Here are your lecture notes for what? Field 4, which is the field 4 here. 1, 2, 3. Biotechnology. Yeah, for biotech. As you can see here the output high. Kaka, your lecture notes for biotech have been summarized. So summarize revision. Okay, there you go. Let's execute this. Says here if provided authorization grant, e.g., code, resource owner, credentials valid, which is something in here, I guess. Hi, Benjamin. Your lecture notes for biotechnology have been summarized and not not for that, but for let's see. It's line for for this unit. Sorry. Okay, for microbiology. Addition code. Secure again. Let's see if it's gonna. What? Everything is good, yo. Provide an authorization grant. Says I provided a wrong grant. But as you can see here, the notes though. Let me show you the notes from my. Here are the notes. I, Benjamin, your lecture notes for microbiology have been summarized and are ready for revision. Microbiology lecture notes, introduction to bacteria. Bacteria are prokaryotic organisms, meaning they lack a nucleus. Really summarized, you see. Even they have subtopics. See it, subtopics here. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and you can see the giveaway key concepts. Appreciate guys. Appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Please, if you're new here to this channel, don't forget to just subscribe and also like and comment. Thank you.